In this video, I will show you the essentials of Python. What is Python? What you can do about it, and why it is so popular. In other words, what does it do? In another programming language, Python is the most fastest growing programming language, not just among software engineering, mathematician, data analysis, scientist, accountant, network engineering, and even kids. People in discipline use Pythons in a variety of different tests, such as big data and visualization, even though AIs. In fact, this is the big uses of Pythons. Amongst people who are not software developer, you can also use Pythons to build web apps, mobiles, and desktop applications, as well as testing or even hacking. So Python is multi-purpose language. So what is the big deal in Pythons? Here are the few reasons. With Python, you can easily solve complex problems in less time with fewer lines. Here are the few reasons why the Pythons are popular. Python has arrived over 20 years. So in essential, is a multi-purpose language with a simple and beginner-friendly syntax. Below that, Python is awesome. And Python is the simplest and elegant and way more easier programming language. And that is the essential of Python programmer language. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it.